Hello friends, welcome to our free English grammar class. Today we are going to dig deep into clauses and their types. So let's get started. And what is a clause? Yes, it is a group of related words and it has a subject and a word combination and it has a complete meaning by itself. Okay, you can consider a simple sentence as a clause. For example, he plays cricket regularly. See here. Now, is this a clause? For that, we will check whether it is satisfying all the three conditions. Okay, that we just discuss. It is a group of word. Yes, it is. He plays cricket regularly. It is a group of words, right? Here, he is the subject. Okay, he plays cricket means he is a subject and plays it is a verb. So it is subject verb combination and the whole sentence he plays cricket regularly makes complete meaning. Okay, by itself, yes, we can say it is a clause. Okay, now clauses are mainly divided into two parts. See here, there are two types of clauses, independent clause and dependent clause. See here, an independent clause is actually a complete sentence by itself. It doesn't need any other clause for its existence. For example, you may sit here, you may sit. Here you is the subject and sit is the verb and the whole sentence is going to complete. Okay, though by itself. So it's an independent clause. Okay. Then what is a dependent clause? It has a subject and a verb but doesn't have a complete thought by itself and is dependent on independent or main clause for a complete thought. For example, see here, wherever you like. Here, you is the subject and like is the verb and the whole sentence is having a meaning as well, but it's incomplete. Okay, it's incomplete. Now, let's add a main clause. Here, we add a main clause to this clause. You may see it. You may sit. And not the whole sentence become you may sit wherever you like. You may sit wherever you like. Now here the entire thought is complete with one main or independent clause and one dependent clause. This is all about dependent clause. Okay. Dependent clause are mainly divided into three types: noun clause, adjective clause and adverb clause. Okay, let's discuss about each of them. So what is a noun clause? Noun clause is a group of words having subject and verb. Word of its own and it acts as a noun in the sentence. For example, I fear that I will fail. See here, that I will fail is a clause as it is a group of word having subject and a verb. Okay, here subject and verb both are there. Okay, whole clause is acting as an object of the word fear, so it's a noun clause. What? It is a noun clause. Adjective clause is a group of word having subject and word of its own and it acts as an adjective in the sentence. Now what does adjectives do? They describes noun and so does the adjective clause. For example, see here, the example is the umbrella which has a broken handle is mine. Okay, the umbrella which has a broken handle is mine. Here the clause which has a broken handle is an adjective clause. Okay, as it has a subject and the verb of its own, and is describing the noun umbrella. What is umbrella? How is umbrella? Sorry. How is umbrella? Broken umbrella. Okay. Let's look into one more example. He met a girl whose eyes were blue. Here, whose eyes were blue, an adjective clause, and the clause is having object and the verb, and it is describing noun girl. Okay, so basically this clause does the work of an adjective. Now let's look into the next types of clause, adverb clause. Adverb clause is a group of words having subject and a verb. Okay, see here, group of words, subject and verb. Okay, and it acts as an adverb into the sentence. Now, what does adverb do? They modifies verb, adjective or other adverbs in the sentence, and so desired work clause as the in the clause. For example, they rested when the evening came. Here, when the evening came is the clause, as it heard the subject evening and the verb came and its describing verb rested, so it's an adverb clause. Let's look into one more example. I will give you a map so that you can find a way. I will give you a map so that you can find a way. Okay. Here, so that you can find a way is a clause, as it has a subject and a verb and is describing the acts of giving, which is a verb. So basically this clause does the work of an adverb. That all about clauses in this video. Thank you.